Sleep apnea is a condition that puts you at a serious health risk. If your husband or wife complains that you're snoring at nighttime and your spouse is losing sleep because of your snoring, you should be tested. You are more likely to have a stroke or heart attack due to increased blood pressure, which is caused by lack of oxygen at nighttime. As dentists, what we can do is make you an oral appliance that you wear at nighttime, and that will put your jaw in a more favorable position so that you can have more oxygen.